Ready to ditch the appointment book chaos and supercharge your salon, spa, or wellness center? Let's dive into using Fresha for your business in under 90 seconds, starting with streamlining your appointment scheduling. Click on an empty slot in your calendar to add a new appointment. Select your client, choose the service they're receiving, and assign a staff member. Fresha automatically checks for conflicts and sends confirmations. Next up, masterful client management. Go to the Clients tab to view your customer list. Here, you can add new clients, edit existing profiles, track their appointment history, and even add notes about their preferences for personalized service. Time to boost your marketing efforts. Fresha offers built-in tools to promote your business. Create email campaigns to announce special offers, new services, or simply stay connected with your clients. Target specific groups based on their past appointments for maximum impact. Monitor your business performance with Fresha's reporting features. Track revenue, identify your most popular services, and understand your client demographics. All of this leads to optimizing operations, enhancing client engagement, and driving revenue growth. So ditch the old ways and embrace the power of Fresha.